Hi everyone, and welcome to day 23. I'm going to have everyone start at the top of the mat, finding a comfortable foot position. And just a reminder that if you're ever having an off day or you just don't have a lot of energy and you want to take the vinyasas down a little bit, you can just step back to down dog and walk it out, or even come into table pose and take cat-cow. So coming to the top of the mat, turning the palms open to the front, drawing the belly in, take an inhale breath through the nose. Open the mouth, exhale, ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And then this time, inhale through the nose. Begin exhaling through the mouth, closing the mouth halfway, creating the same sound through the nose. And just another breath in and out through the nose, creating that ujjayi sound. And if it's available, bring the ujjayi sound into the inhale as well. And on the next inhale, take the arms up alongside the ears, and on the exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, right, followed by left, all the way back, knees, chin and chest to the floor. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, down dog. Take the right foot forward, followed by the left. Inhale, half lift, fold, exhale. Inhale all the way up, and exhale, hands to heart center. And again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, left, followed by right, lowering down using the knees if you need to. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Take the left foot forward, followed by the right. Half lift, inhale, fold, exhale. Inhale all the way up, and exhale, hands to heart center. Chair pose, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, right leg back, followed by left, lowering down. Cobra or up dog. Inhale, down dog, exhale. This time, right foot comes forward, warrior one. Inhale. On the exhale, you're going to open to warrior two. We're not going to widen the stance because we're going to come into triangle pose. So inhale, straighten that front knee, and exhale, triangle. Try not to let that left arm move forward. Try and keep everything stacked over that right leg. Stay with your breath. Think about melting that right rib cage toward that right thigh. Last breath. Then we're going to revolve. So both hands to either side of the front foot, adjust the back foot, and when you're ready, open right arm to the sky. Again, trying to stack right over left. Front knee wants to soften, but we're going to keep it strong, sending that hip to the back of the room. 3 more breaths, in and out through the nose. Using that ujjayi breath, coming back to it if you've lost it. And then release the hand, soften the knee, step it back, lower down. Cobra or up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Right foot forward, warrior one. On the exhale, open to 2. Again, we're not really adjusting the stance too much. Inhale, straighten the front knee, triangle pose, exhale. Stacking, right side over left this time. Trying to keep that right arm straight above the shoulder. Melting the left rib cage toward that left thigh. Soft in the toes. Last breath. And then releasing the hands, softening the knee, adjusting the back foot. When you're ready, left arm to the sky. Nice and strong through that front leg still. Sending that left hip open to the back of the room and staying stacked left side over right. Breathe. Don't hold the breath. 2. Good. Last one. Stay for the exhale. Release the hands, soften the knee, step it back, and lower down. Cobra or up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Right foot forward, warrior one. Inhale, exhale, open to warrior two. This time we are going to widen the stance. Inhale, reverse, side angle, exhale. So you can come either just elbow to knee, or that right hand can come to the floor inside of that right foot. This left arm can drop alongside the ear. Reach through the left fingertips if the arm is alongside the ear. Still trying to stay stacked, left over right. Breathe in and out through the nose. And then release the left hand down, stack the back heel. We're going to come into revolved. So the right arm is going to open. If you want to come a little further, take that left elbow to the outside of that right leg and come to prayer hands. Back knee wants to soften. Keep it lifted nice and strong, reaching through that heel. 3, 2, last breath. Release the hands, step it back, lower down. Cobra or up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Left foot forward, warrior one. On the exhale, open to 2, widen the stance. Reverse warrior, inhale. Side angle, exhale again. You can start off elbow to knee, or if you want, bring the hand to the floor. Reach through the top fingers, or release the arm alongside the ear. This bottom arm is pressing into that inner thigh, opening up, stacking knee over ankle. Stay with the breath. Last one. Then let the right hand down, stack the back foot, open up and revolve left arm to the sky. If you took reverse prayer on the first side, do that on this side. Right elbow to the outside of that left knee. Prayer hands. Breathe. Use that Ujjayi breath. 3, 2, good. Last one. Stay for that exhale. Release the hands. Foot back. Lower down. Cobra or up dog. Inhale. Down dog, exhale. Stay for 3 breaths. In and out through the nose. Release or coming back to that Ujjayi breath if you've lost it. And if you'd like to pause here to take your inversion practice, do so. And come to the top of the mat and on to the back. Now you're going to set up for bridge pose. If you have wheel in your practice, you're more than welcome to come to your wheel. Plant the feet just wider than your hips, a little bit far away, hands down. You're going to take the shoulders down, chest and hips to the sky. If it's available, lace the fingers behind the back. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Soften the toes. And then take that right leg to the sky. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Release the arms out from underneath you and come all the way down. Draw the knees into the chest and take them over to the right, turning the head to the left. Come back to the breath if you've lost it, letting everything become nice and heavy. Good, last breath. And then come over to the other side. Last breath. Back to center. Give the knees a hug, and when you're ready, prepare for Shavasana. And begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the feet. Drawing the knees into the chest. Coming over on to the right side. And up into a comfortable seated position. So we're going to take Bhu Mudra today, so as though we're taking peace fingers, but then we're going to take the tips of the fingers to the floor with the arms straight but soft. We're going to take the Kaki breath, so it's like you're breathing through a straw, pursing your lips and inhaling and exhaling through a straw. Closing the eyes, take an inhale breath and begin. One more. And then releasing hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.